Hello! In this video I will show you how to bypass parental control on Nubia Z60 Ultra. So you have to start with opening your Google application, then click on your avatar and click on Google account. Now click on Data and Privacy, and then scroll down and click on Delete your Google account. And now you have to enter your password. And now you have to scroll down and check these two checkboxes, then click Delete account. And now your Google account should be removed, so let's open Google Play Store or any other app that requires you to sign in into your Google account, and there enter your email address, then click Next. And as you can see, my account is deleted, so let's click Next to recover it. And now I have to enter my password again. Then click More and Accept. And now my account is recovered and my parental control is bypassed. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.